Each week, a subcommittee of 4 is formed from among members of a committee comprising 7 individuals. 2 subcommittee members are then assigned to lead the subcommittee, one as a chair and the other as secretary. Calculate the maximum number of consecutive weeks that elapse without having the subcommittee contain 4 individuals who have previously served together with the same chair. So now, although they talk about a secretary and a chair initially, but if you look at the question they're asking, that has no mention of the secretary. So what we really are looking for is the number of possible different subcommittees of 4 members where one of them is a chair. So once we find that number, and that's the maximum number of weeks that can elapse without there being a repetition. So number of possible 4-member committees, subcommittees from 7 persons, because we have a total of 7 possibilities to choose from. So that would be 7C4, that's 35. So that would be the, 35 will be the number of possible subcommittees if all the 4 members were the same and there was no rank among them. But since we are also interested in one of them being the chair, so every time you choose a committee of 4 members, a subcommittee of 4 members, one of them is the chair. So it means 1 out of the 4 has to be selected as a chair. So therefore, the number of ways to choose a chair from the 4 subcommittee members will be 4, because there are 4 subcommittee members and any of the 4 can become chair. So 4 possibilities, and therefore the number of ways to have 4-member subcommittee and a chair, 4-member subcommittee and a chair would be 4-member subcommittee is 35, and means multiplication, and for the chair we have 4 possibilities, so 35 times 4. So we have total of 140 different ways possible to have a subcommittee of 4 members where one of them is a chair. And now, since we are to find the maximum number of consecutive weeks that can elapse without a repetition occurring, which means without having the same 4 members and the same chair. So this, since there are only 140 possible different subcommittees that can be formed under the given conditions, and we have a possible change happens every week. So you can't have more than 140 weeks without avoiding a repetition, because even if you choose a different subcommittee every week, the maximum you can go is 140. After that, in the 141st week, there has to be a repetition. So 140 is the answer. The correct answer is B. B.